Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best flour sifters. So let's get started. Number 7. NPYPQ Products Inc. Bellemain. A basic crank-style sifter is a favorite among bakers, and this 3-cup sifter shows exactly why that is. The sifter is tough enough to handle different types of flour and other coarse ingredients, like bran or almond meal. The canister has measurement markings stamped into the metal that can be read on the inside of the sifter, so you can measure amounts as you pour them into the sifter or see how much more you have left to sift. The manufacturer recommends simply wiping this clean with a cloth rather than immersing it in water. But some reviewers have hand-washed the sifter, and others have washed it in the dishwasher with no issues. Number 6. KitchenAid Sifter. If you're looking for the best flour sifter that won't make your arm sore after a day of baking, this KitchenAid attachment is your pick. It sifts and weighs the ingredients while sending them gradually into the mixer bowl to make sure everything combines evenly. The process is completely hands-off once the flour is loaded, so bakers can just watch the process or stir a pot on the stove while the mixer does its job. The hopper holds up to 4 cups of flour or similar dry ingredients, but can easily be reloaded for bigger recipes. The scale can be used on its own to measure all your baking ingredients, and the kit includes a top plate for the scale when you're using it on your counter. A storage case is included as well, so you can keep all the parts neatly together when they're not in use. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Bakers. While you certainly won't use this for sifting flour for a cake, it's the best flour sifter for small amounts of sifting and dusting. It's perfect for dusting cocoa powder, powdered sugar, or cinnamon onto cupcakes, cookies, or drinks like hot chocolate, lattes, or eggnog. It can also be used for lightly dusting flour onto your work surface before rolling out dough, or for dusting powdered sugar or cocoa powder when you're using a stencil on a cake. The small size gives you the precision to dust the center of a cookie or cupcake without spreading powdered sugar everywhere. When you're finished dusting, this handheld tool is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Number 4. Norpro Polished 8-Cup. Serious bakers will love this 8-cup sifter that lets you load up large quantities of flour at once, so you won't need to reload as often when you've got a big baking job on your hands. This flour sifter is made from polished stainless steel that will look good on the counter, and it has a sturdy crank handle with a wooden knob. Some users noted that flour can puff out of the top of the sifter, but that problem was easy to solve by using the plastic lid from a standard tin of coffee. Hand washing is recommended for this sifter. Number 3. Norpro Battery-Operated Sifter. No matter how you do it, sifting flour can be tedious if there's a lot of baking going on. This battery-operated sifter makes it simple, since there's no need for cranking, squeezing, or shaking to get flour through the mesh of the sifter. Just press the button and let the sifter do all the manual work. Made from white plastic with a stainless steel mesh screen, this looks clean and attractive in use, and it holds a whopping 5 cups of flour. So there's no need to refill over and over when there are a lot of cakes to be baked. This operates on 1C battery, which is not included. Number 2. NPYPQ Large Flour Sifter. One of the additional advantages of having a large flour sifter such as this one is that it offers better control during the sifting process. This flour sifter is equipped with a squeeze press handle that sifts a cup of flour in just 1.5 minutes. It also features a double filter stainless steel mesh perfect for sifting coarse flours, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, and more. Number 1. Fox Run Flour Sifter. Are you ready to switch to a handheld, squeezy handle sifter from a rotary crank handle sifter? If your answer is yes, you should give this one a shot. It is a super long handle that is easy to press and allows all the sifting to be completed as a one-hand operation. Perfect for separating lumps in all types of flours, including coarse ones, this sifter will be a good choice for beginners.